I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. Hey, but look, we ready to put the what is this? The tail lights in here. Put the tail lights in and get them ugly jumps out of there. I'm gonna get some clears though. I'm gonna get some clears later. Get some clears later. Wait, hold up. Get some clears like these right here. Get some of these jumps later. These jumps right here, tough right here. Get the jump like back there. Yeah. But they all smoke right now though. You got to set this motherfucker. That boy already getting started. That boy getting started. I do the other side. This is simple, easy install or whatever. You take the little 2 bolts out right there, well, screws, just pop out, take out a little harness off it. Put the light back in the other one. Look at that boy, he don't know what he doing for real. Okay. You can telling me what to do. What else? Screw over there. Nigga, if it fall, that shit old. I'm putting a new one in there. All right, let me see. Hold up. I don't know what this is. Let me see the other. Hold up. I think there's a, oh yeah, it's like a little jump. Okay. So for now, we'll be right back. Okay. That jump, I had to get another big. Guess you take this off. I don't know what I'm doing for real, but I'm doing it. Take this off, you know what I'm saying? Get that motherboard looking piece off. Damn. Still over there? I guess this will pop off. I hope it pops up. Lights is on.
Oh.
Go turn the light off. We here, y'all. So y'all ain't nobody watching, but think it like this. Think go like this. Then you gotta go put it back. Oh.
What is? Oh, I'm about to say.
I already said, damn. Put the scuff that on the tail light. Is this even the right one? Damn, I put that shit on sale. Fuck it. Put this shit back in. Is there a gap on the other side? Yes, it got
Yeah.
Let me turn the lights on real quick. As y'all can see, my chime don't bing no more. Like, you know, I'm had that noisy noise no more. I'm gonna show y'all later how to do that one. Yeah, these don't on. Oh yeah, they work. They work. Let me check some else real quick. See that brake light. On up now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we here. Oh, yeah, I gotta get the LED put in there next. Come on. Let me turn this on. Dude, that's how I be back. Damn, I forgot to record the jump. Pull off with it. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, damn, this side was rough. Here you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, I'm going to get the clear ones with the LEDs in it. Get the clear one up there with the LEDs in it, and get the LED backup lights, and get some clear headlights or whatever. Get an LED like this one right here. Basically, this is all we was doing today or whatever. I'm gonna put my power steering into, I don't know, I'm not even gonna say tomorrow, because I said it in the last video I was gonna do it, but we end up doing spark plug wires, and what else I put on there? Damn, and I changed the oil or whatever.